How to download YouTube on PC and laptop. Firstly, on your laptop, go to any of your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which web browser you use. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in youtube.com. You will land to the official website of YouTube. To install YouTube application to your device, at the top right corner, click on the three-line icon. If you are using Chrome browser, you will see a three-dot icon. Tap on that, and from this menu, at the very bottom, click on Save and Share. Then select Install Website. Now click on Install App. When you do that, then the app will start installing. If you don't have sufficient space and you don't want to install the whole app, then you can just create a shortcut. Rename your shortcut file and click on Create. After renaming, click on Create. And just like that, your YouTube shortcut will be created. Now save on your PC. Go to your home screen and open Files. After that, click and drag the YouTube shortcut that was just created. Now whenever you like, you can simply click on this shortcut to open YouTube on its website. So this way you can download either the app or create a shortcut of YouTube on your laptop or PC. That's all for today. Thank you.